Good morning, school, and welcome to today's reflection section. Last week was the evening of inquiry, and all Year 7s had to present their academic poster, something they had been working on since October. After the evening, I set them a challenge to do a reflection section, and I am very thankful to Rowan, who delivered. Here is Rowan Hibbert's reflection section, all about bees.
My reflection section about bees by Rowan, 7K. What are bees? Bees are wonderful creatures, and without them we can't survive. Bees pollinate our trees and plants. They gather pollen on their back legs and then fly to another plant to collect pollen and drop pieces on the way. This causes more and more plants to grow. We need plants to survive because they produce oxygen, what we breathe in. If bees stopped pollinating, the plants would die. Bees communicate with a special dance called a waggle dance. The waggle dance is one of bees' many ways of communicating. A waggle dance consists of 1 to 100 or more circuits, each of which involves two phases, the waggle phase and the return phase. A worker bee's waggle dance involves running through a small figure of 8 pattern, a waggle run, followed by a turn to the right to circle back to the starting point. During the waggle dance, bees are telling other bees two things about a flower patch's location: the distance and the direction from the hive. The dancing bee waggles back and forth as she moves forward in a straight line, then circles around to repeat the dance again. The line in the middle shows roughly how far it is to the flower patch. Only the female bees will do the waggle dance because most male bees don't work. How are queen bees made? A queen will develop from an egg that receives some very special attention. The egg will be fed lots of royal jelly to make it become bigger than the rest of the larvae and become the queen. Royal jelly is made from sugars, lipids, vitamins and minerals that are secreted from the hypopharynx of nurse bees. However, queen bee cells are also made differently. The entrance is a circle and the cell bulks out from the rest of the egg cells, making it very easy to spot. If the queen bee dies or the colony doesn't make one, then the keeper would need to get a new queen bee and introduce it to the colony. Otherwise, they may abscond or the workers may begin to lay eggs which will only ever produce a male bee. Thank you for listening.
So as you can see, bees are very precious and they desperately need our help. Here are 10 things we might be able to do to help bees. Is there something here that you can do to protect them? And if you are wanting a break from Eurovision next week, why not visit Lytham Hall on Wednesday for Bee Awareness Day? Thank you very much, school.